What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I haven't been in the channel for a long time now. Been making a lot of moves, a lot of things been changing. I got out of the house finally and I'm at my shop now. So been super busy, super busy moving into the shop and getting everything done, and I've been out of the channel. But I want to come back now. I want to continue with my goals and dreams, and I hope you guys can all help me out with that. I want to give you guys a little shop tour and a little bit of background story, how everything happened. So let me show you guys the shop. Here's my shop, here's my office. I'm gonna show you guys the outside a little bit. There's some cars outside. Here's the shop. Here's my logo. Here's my phone number. There's my Instagram. Everything you guys need to know. This place wasn't paved. I got everything paved. I'm renting, by the way, but I did get the place paved because it wasn't like this when I first got it. And as you guys can see, I work with a lot of low cars, and getting in the shop was a hassle. So the first improvement on the property that we did was getting the whole place paved. Here's how it looked before. Here's how he was before and after. So big difference, guys. Like I say, here's my office, the place. Here's how he looked before, a little bit of before and after to show you guys. So this is how he looked before and after. Here's all my certificates from BMW, Master Diagnostics, Drivetrain, and such. Got my programs pulled up over here. This was a gift from a customer, and here are some cars in the shop. Z4. I just did coolant pump and thermostat on this car. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the shop. This is what the shop looked like before. And this is what it looks like now. I did the floors, I did the walls. It's a little bit messy here. I'm by myself here now. A lot of stuff to get cleaned up. Got some liquid moly oil. This car, I'm gonna do a separate video on this car showing the whole entire car. This is a very cool build. We just did a big brake kit, wheels, a lot of imported parts, full exhaust system. We did headers, we did subframe reinforcement, rod bearings. This car is getting the whole treatment, getting the front bumper painted, getting headlights done. But here's the shop, guys. Here's the shop. I'm gonna put a little bit of pictures of when I was putting the lifts up. I installed the lifts myself. I had a few buddies of mine come help me stand them up, but after they stood up, I installed everything myself. I measured, I aligned, and I drilled and installed everything myself. Everything that you guys see here. I was lacking help in the beginning and still am a little bit now, but I managed to do anything and everything that you put me to do. So yeah, here's my little space. Very happy with the space. Like I say, it's a little bit messy. I got a few boxes that I have to take away. Finishing an engine build right now. I have to stop and do other cars in between here and there. Here's an N54 that I'm building. This is a rods for it, mainly rods, JE pistons. Here's my toolbox. It's a little bit messy again, but I try to keep as organized as possible so it's not a hassle for me to work and look for tools all over the place. Yeah, here's the shop. A few parts that I stock and I use the most. Few fluids, new BMW coolant, which is green. BMW went back to green. Blue coolant, some diesel, liquid moly oil. I had my oil stuck up in here before I got that big jug over there on the corner. Some timing tools, some special tools, some oil filters. Got my welding machine, my cherry picker, some parts for 838 that I bought that I have to find myself time to work on the car. I usually keep engine blocks and engine parts on that corner, on that table. Underneath there's some parts for the N54 that I'm building. Here is the kitchen. This is what it looked like before and after. Here's my bathroom. Try to keep it clean. Here's me. Hello. So yeah, this is the shop, guys. And been super busy. Trying to keep managing myself, doing paperwork, working on the office, talking to customers, getting stuff done, being one-man show. I had help for the first 3 months here at the shop, but it ended up not working out the way I wanted things to be done. As you guys know me, I'm very particular with stuff that I do. I'm very clean, I'm very picky, and this is why I got the name I got and the reputation. This is something I care about a lot, and for me to put somebody to work here with me, they need to have the same mentality and same standards that I have. So that's why I'm by myself now. I'm managing just like I was at my house, and it's much easier for me here. I have 2 lifts, I have an office, I have, it's much easier for me to work here versus working at my house. I used to be afraid at home with the neighbors and everybody watching, and was a residential area, but I managed to do a year until I finally got this place. I wanted to, get my feet wet and see how things were gonna go after I quit the dealer. Was the biggest move of my life, so I wanted to be very cautious of how things were gonna work because I have a family to take care of, I have kids, I have a wife, I have a mortgage to pay and mouths to feed. So it was a really scary move for me, having a lot of things that I have on my plate to make that move. But here I am now. I made the move, always trusting in God and that everything was gonna work out, always being positive. Once you're positive things happen in your life. So whatever move that you're thinking about doing right now, I don't want to turn this into a motivational speech, but whatever moves that you're thinking about doing right now, don't hesitate. If you have it in your heart that you could do it, you could do it. Don't show that vision to somebody that doesn't have that same vision as you, because God gave you the vision, not that person. So that person that you talk to might be a little bit negative, might had moves in the past that they try and didn't work out, and they're gonna put that on you, and that could stop you from doing it. So be careful who you talk to, and if you have it in your heart, if you believe with your heart that you can't do something, go for it and you'll be able to do it, just like I did. Always humble. You don't have to step on nobody to get higher or be who you are, and I'm living proof that you could do it. So I'm very happy with the shop. I'm gonna be showing you guys a lot more stuff now. I'm gonna get back to, like I say, getting the videos out and showing you guys the work and how to do it. But this was just a little bit of the introduction of why I've been away for so long, and you guys are gonna be seeing me. I'm gonna try to be posting at least once a week. Work being done at the shop and problems solving and finding, and hope you guys will interact with me and help my YouTube channel grow. Send it to a friend, send it to somebody that wants to open a business, that have a vision just like you do, and let's continue growing. And I hope I can be a motivation to you guys to be able to take that step in your life. And like I say, guys, believe you could do it and you'll make it. So thank you all for watching. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna end this video with a few images that I had of my grand opening. I had a barbecue at the grand opening. I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you for everything. Thank you for all your support. If you're a customer, thank you, and I appreciate you guys, and see you next time.